Hey, what up YouTubers, it's your boy Altered Tech, back again with a new video, and today I'm in the Bahamas right now, with the Kardashian. So I'm recording with the Galaxy Note 9 and my Galaxy Note 10. Well, the S Pen, there's been an issue with the S Pen, so it keeps coming out, so I gotta go ahead and get that fixed. So right now it's just me, Galaxy Note 9, and the OnePlus 7 Pro. So I've been using the super steady mode on this quite often. It's kind of like having a GoPro in your pocket. So anyways, so with the Galaxy Note 9, I can't record it in 4K with the selfie camera. I think it goes up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. So it's about 7 o'clock in the morning right now. Let me know what you guys think about the quality and stuff. Looking pretty good. So yeah, it's been a while since I posted a video, so I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and just put in a little vlog real quick, the selfie camera, give you guys an update. So I gotta make a couple videos for the OnePlus 7 Pro, the G-Cam. Some people have been asking me to post some videos or camera comparisons using, actual people as subjects, as pets and whatnot. So I'm trying to grab some footage with the Kardashian because now's like the best time to actually do that. We're in a great location. She's always dressed up every single day. So I got a ton of photos for you guys. So what else we gotta talk about? As for the OnePlus 7 Pro, for the portrait, I think it actually came out a lot better. That reddening effect, the skin effects, is not as prominent as it used to be. So you do have that makeup beauty effect. I advise you guys, don't use the makeup beauty effect. When I had it on initially, and she just came out pretty, looked like she put 4 layers of makeup. So I turned it off, and ever since then, it's been looking pretty good. So with the Android 10 open beta update, now you could actually go ahead and use the standard lens for portrait mode. And with the standard lens, you guys know it has like a lot better quality than with the telephoto lens. So a lot of these photos are coming out pretty good. I'll do a slideshow. Right now I don't have my laptop, and I'm trying to edit videos on a phone, and it's pretty hard to do that, especially with the voiceovers and whatnot. So I'll try to post out whatever I can. So just let me know what you guys think about the quality so far. So yeah, we're in the Bahamas. It's Altered Tech with this little update. I might give you guys a quick tour of the resort, the pools and stuff. There seems to be about 5-6 different pools. And you guys can see that clear water behind me. Looking pretty good. And yeah, so far the weather has been pretty good. We're supposed to have a tropical storm, but I haven't seen anything so far. I think it's going away towards the north, so it might actually miss us. It's supposed to be raining right now, thunderstorms. But in the Caribbean, you guys know how it is. If you're from the Caribbean, the weather tracking prediction system, it's very tough to predict in the Caribbean. You could have rain right over here, and in the hotel, it could be sunny. So when it comes to the weather, it's very unpredictable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick tour of the pools and stuff. And this is going to be the end of the Galaxy Note 9 vlog. If you have any questions or comments or shout outs, some people have been giving me a couple advice and stuff on my channel and whatnot. I appreciate it and whatnot. So keep those advice coming. I appreciate all the compliments, the shout outs and whatnot, the support you guys have been giving me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on working. So it's Altered Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and awesome day. Peace.